Alright, so as you can see now that my location, as you can see, allowed all the time, no apps allowed. Like I said, that is exactly what you want to achieve. No apps should be allowed, to have access to your location. So once I am done with that, I'm just going to close this, then I'm going to close all of this. So once I close all of that, I'm going to come back to my VPN app again. This is it here. I'm going to tap on that. Alright, so once I get back here, the next thing I want to do, like I told you, we are going to be working with United Kingdom companies. So here we want to search for United Kingdom. So I'll come to this search location here, and then I'm going to search for United Kingdom. Alright, so this is United Kingdom. I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm going to wait for this. So as you can see, I'm going to wait for the connection to be successful. Alright, so as you can see now, you can see that we are now connected, United Kingdom, and you can see my IP address. So that's exactly what you want to do. Just in case if you try it and maybe you're having issues with connecting, try it again. Just keep trying it until it goes. Sometimes it might be because of your network, or it could just be for any other reasons. Okay, so once you're connected to your VPN and it's working live, and now we are now taking the position of being in the United Kingdom, then we can go ahead to the next step. So I'll see you in the next video as we go ahead to the next step.